in Fort Worth, Texas today, getting this home unpacked. This house is temporary. This is a rental home and they're building a beautiful house on the lake. All the boxes came and arrived yesterday and now we're here to make sense of it. This isn't functional. And they go on vacation tomorrow. Goal today, boxes out of the house. And we'll be back for a second day in a few days to finish unpacking this project. 1, 2, what are we saying?
1, 2, 3, go!
Lid? A plastic lid? No. We're paying Hannah's kids to come break down all these boxes. It's a waste of our time, so we're just gonna throw the boxes out there. Her two teenage boys are gonna come and take care of all this for us.
They're so narrow.
Okay, they have fine bins that we use in their pantry.
Fine bins? Okay.
So we can maybe switch and do like the skinny fine bins in here.
Which that's what I was hoping for.
Yeah. Oh, it's like
because even if you get it in, they won't pull out.
That's what she said.
It's such a little bit off, which is a super bummer. But this isn't gonna work, so we're gonna have to change. But we also don't want to buy a lot of product because this is a rental home and they're eventually gonna be moving somewhere else. In the pantry at their last house, we had a bunch of these, so we're just gonna switch it and make it work with what we have.
Top load only. Oh, fragile.
Where is it? That's a branded box. This. I mean, it was protected and it didn't break. That is really crazy. The good stuff.
Probably alcohol.
Or drugs. I mean, it's written on here like 3 times. The good stuff. Duh! And it's simple syrup. This isn't even alcohol. Now, the strategy is just get it out of the boxes and throw it on the shelf. We don't care if it's organized right now, we just need to see everything that we have. Like in the pantry box is so boring. So, this doesn't need to go in here. We're just gonna take it and throw it on the shelf so we can have all the boxes out of the space. The best thing about when you're already organized is unpacking is so much easier. Paper wrapped sugar. Oh my gosh. Get to the point where there's just stuff everywhere. This is why clients call us, because it doesn't overwhelm us, but secretly it kind of does. I think we're at the point where we're walking around in circles and we're like, where's that gonna go? Where's that gonna go? Where's that gonna go? We always find a spot, and it does work, and that's why they call us. This is like a place setting area. This is your place setting area. While we would normally like that closer to the table, they're also probably eating right here. Knives, knives and silverware, if we need to expand 2 drawers of this stuff. Let's try that. I just dropped a pan on my face, so I'll have to go check on the bathroom. But there's no wall of boxes. Let's see. Before noon. It's noon right now. We said all the boxes unpacked at noon. Even though it's temporary, we're still making it functional and making systems so that they can enjoy living here for the short time that they're here. The last time we labeled this veggies straws. So whenever you're in a pantry, you want to make zones. So this is the first area you walk into, so I want to make this to be kid, snack, easy grab, usually breakfast and cereal, because that's the things you're getting a lot in the pantry. Almost 3 o'clock. Pantry is done-ish. Everything kind of has a place. I feel like we're getting to a point where we can kind of understand what we're doing now. Nothing feels like a cluster. Having to rethink a lot of spaces, like this usually goes here, but there's not room, but there's a closet over there, so we still want it to be functional. We're not just throwing anything anywhere. Oh, I found another one. We could do a duet. All right, that's a wrap on day 1 of this move-in project. If you look around right now, it looks like there's still a lot, but there are no more boxes in the spaces we accomplished today. So kitchen, pantry, master closet, master bathroom, and even their bedroom. The boxes are gone. They're all folded up and out here ready for trash, and that is a huge win. Next day, on day 2, we're gonna start working on putting the systems in place, adding the labels, all the finishing touches, and then working on the kids' bedrooms and all of the toys so that when they come back from their vacation, their house is ready to be lived in and completely unpacked.
It is day 2 on this unpack, but today we're focusing on the kids' rooms and the upstairs. All those boxes are gonna get unpacked. There's not gonna be a box left in this house today. And then we're gonna go in and finish the final touches, adding the details like the labels. We're gonna hang the art on the walls. We added a couple extra people today so that we could really get it done and knock it all out. 2-day project, whole house completely unpacked while they're on vacation. That's kind of a dream, right? So cute.
Midday update. Don't know what to say. It's kind of one of those moments where everything's unboxed. Maybe just me. Maybe I'm just slightly panicking, sweating, because there's piles everywhere. Everywhere that you look, there's a pile of something that needs to be put away. But it has to be put away. Everything has to be put away. That's why we bring a big team. That's what we're paid to do, and so it's going to happen. But right now, walk away. It will get put away.
This blue tape is your best friend. Find the little hooks, and then you take the tape off and put it on the wall, and you know exactly where your nails go. Before I like make any holes at all, I'll do the tape trick on every picture, and then I'll lay the tape out on the wall, and then I'll go back through with like a measuring tape and just make sure it's like even and centered and all of that.
That is a wrap on this project. The house is completely unpacked. There is not one box in sight. There's a pile of things that are going to storage because remember, this is a temporary home for the next couple of months while they build their dream home. But for now, this is pretty dreamy. Everything's unpacked, it's labeled, it's beautiful, and most importantly, it's functional. They're gonna come back from vacation to a completely clean, ready to live in home, and I cannot imagine a better gift to give this family, and we're so excited we were able to do it.